Make Shizzy, what's up? Shout the tune.
Look, don't never talk about the shit I'm about to do. Don't never lie to hoes, I just tell the truth. Don't never put the pussy on a pedestal. This money is the motive, everything after the revenue. Boy, I swear to God, that's what you better do. Cause in this life, it ain't no telling what's ahead of you. These niggas done went federal. From young, reputable niggas killing, it's all sectional. Now this is the reality we wrestle with, where every nigga down to die for what he represent, where every murder is a mission rooted in revenge. You make it out alive in one piece, you set precedent. And then you start accumulating presidents. You looking like a legend, especially when your record spins. And you pull up in a 6 with a set of twins. And like I never thought I'd see you in the set again. Blaze, I'm getting paid, but that ain't changed nothing. That ain't changed nothing. Look, I'm getting cheese, but that ain't changed nothing. That ain't changed nothing, my nigga. Look, I'm getting paid, but that don't mean nothing. That don't mean nothing. Look, I'm getting cheese, but that don't mean nothing. That don't mean nothing. I swear to tell the world if I made it out, the truth about these LA streets and all that they about. The paranoid emotions, will they stake us out? When we pull up thick in some foreign shit at the geisha house. The losses that we took when they raided the house. The visions that I seen when I laid it out. The only important thing is the paper out the model, why I embody the prophecy as I played it out. Look, smiling faces, rocking diamond bracelets. Murder cases, that's probation when your pockets major. I'm stunting in something that costs a lot of paper. I ain't fucking with nothing that don't look like a spaceship. Look, now that's the realest shit I ever spoke. Pull up in the shopping center with a centerfold. My window's up, my cell is closed. Chopper still owe me if you didn't know. Nigga, yeah. And at this point, just take it to the next level. You know, niggas been grinding so hard, came so far, travel the world, got all type of money, and this shit still don't stop, nigga. All I see is new opportunities, new horizons. Real young niggas came up from nothing. This how I look, little mama.
Let's see how strong he really is, though, because with all that I just said, ladies and gentlemen, that has nothing to do with the fact that you up here in the Valley of the Hyenas, nigga, man. Get the fuck out of here.
Let's go.
You gotta have bars. Drop that beat on the Wonder. Sway in the morning.
Can't put my dream to sleep. Lord knows what this mean to me. Came from the trap cooking coke like it's cream of wheat. Had no choice cause we need to eat. Everybody had a North Face, but my mother was broke, so fuck the brand, I just wanted a coat. Cause the nigga was freezing in the winter, but the homie said nope. What's the name of that? Niggas had jokes. I was like 3 centimeters to the end of the rope, cause my surroundings wasn't giving me hope. Till I put the focus on myself, now people calling me dope. I caught fire, now I want all the smoke. I remember every single night I was paying for this. I stayed strong, I was waiting on this. You can tell a lot about a motherfucker if they hating on this. These all facts, no debating on this. Look, I remember picking up pennies in a house to make a quarter. For a quarter juice when I really want a soda. Stepped it up like the elevator out of order. Check it up, several years later I'm a baller. I ain't broke no more, I eat what I want. Restaurant hop now, they think I'm eating too much. Now I understand clear. I like my seafood broiled, the pan seared. Nothing bland there, I'm a Lennox Ave nigga. Had a rough ride, now I'm like the drag niggas. Get money quiet, cops tryna bag niggas. Stick up kids tryna grab niggas. Don't put it past niggas. Keep a small circle, move militant. Curve any vibe if you not feeling it. I'd rather get money, stay low instead of killing shit. Fuck jail, that's for the birds, put your bid in quick. I know niggas doing time that wish they was home. Wish they could roam with niggas that was wit in their zone. But this getting old, soon as he got pinched niggas sold. And niggas that say free him never pick up the phone. Man, this shit getting played out. So I'm on the road getting hazed out. And the days in, spending days out. Getting to the bag all week, got them dazed out. Fuck is all this shade bout, this my only way out. Today is a new day. They turn to Tatianas for that blue face. I was flipping quarters like Two-Face. Had fiends looking like they had a toothache. Lockjaw, cause the rock pure. Just been getting it lately, they think I got soft. Like I ain't got goons that take tops off. But most of y'all gon' tell soon as it pop off. You a follower, you not a leader. It's embedded, I ain't gotta see her. Used to be hot-headed like I got a fever. Life a bitch, watch how you treat her. Cause we ain't getting no do-overs. So watch what you act a fool over, it's tricky. This niggas showing love or they tipsy. Never trust a soul again for what they did to Nipsey.
Harlem. Nino Man. Say his name 3 times. Nino Man. Nino Man. Nino Man.
So nasty.
Oh my God.
Damn.
Well, Street,
Real rap is alive.
It's alive, Sway.
True MCs are living. God MCs.
Wow.
Nino Man.
Excellent. Nothing short. Wow.
I ain't really hugging a lot of dudes, man.
You heard?
Appreciate y'all, man.
Nah, man.
That is a classic.
Wow.
That was a classic. That was amazing. Let's turn that around. Let's turn that over tonight. I want that on the internet tonight. We're gonna turn that over tonight.
Damn.
Hope
Shit.
you have a date, Ty.
Damn.
Ty, turn this over tonight.
Damn.
You live in Harlem. Turn this over tonight.
Yeah, it's only
Damn,
right,
yo.
Yo,
big.
yeah, put that pressure on me. Don't tell them turn it over tonight. Man.
Put it out tonight, big.
Yo, it's so refreshing.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know what to. You jumped on that from moment one. I was
Like,
oh,
What?
yo, I didn't even have my fake smile on.
I'm like, what's happening?
Real bars, Nino Man.
Damn.
You heard? Get the project now. Follow him. I'm Nino Man. I appreciate you, family.
Damn.
Appreciate
Love
y'all
your
more,
story.
man.
Yeah.
Love your
Yeah.
story, man. You're an inspiration, man. You are the same as anybody else that's out here getting it, whether it's Diddy, Jay-Z, Malcolm X, Martin Luther King. You a story, bro.
Wow.
Your story is inspirational. Y'all follow that man, Nino Man. I love you, family. Keep shining.
Hell
and
yeah.
thank you for being
That
dope.
was so good, bro.
Appreciate you.
Appreciate
You
y'all
came
for
out here
having
and
me.
killed it. We've been
That
trying
shit
to
just
make
gave
this
me
happen.
energy going into the
I'm about
weekend,
I'm about to
baby.
catch a
So
flight to
good.
LA just on the strength of that. All right, until next time, we have nothing
What you heard?
left to say.
I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip, drip. Ay, straight up out the objects, I'm a big crip. If I got up on a lean, I'ma sip, sip. I run the racks up with my queen like London and Nip. But I got rich on all these niggas, I did it for get back. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I hopped inside of the Maybach and now I can sit back. These bitches know me now, cause I got them big racks. Cause I'm getting money now, I know you heard that. Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I had to serve crack. Uncle fronted me some peas, had to get them birds back. We came up on dirty money, I gave it a bird back. Cut off the brain and I gave my bitch a new goof. Either you running y'all gang or you Subaru. Got a New Orleans bitch, and man, that pussy voodoo. And I'm that nigga now, who knew? I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. I've been waking up to get the money, whoa, whoa. Got a bad bitch ass tatted, whoa, whoa. Da Vinci to my toes, 2 twins, I'm fucking them both. I put her in new AP, the water like a boat. I was down bad on my dick, what was you niggas at? I know you turned your back on me just to get some wrecks. I seen you swerve back, cause I'm in the black back. New diamonds on me, fuck a flash, this ain't Snapchat. Cause I been getting paid. Yellow diamonds on me look like lemonade. Got my baby mama that new Bentayga. Tryna get a dojo like a sensei. Rolls Royce umbrellas when I'm in the rain. I just mind my business. I got brothers that did the time, I ain't kidding. All these rappers just talk about it, I live it. Going up, I ain't got no sky limit. Yeah, 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. I been ballin' on these niggas. Now why me ball on these niggas? Yeah. Now why me ball on these niggas? Yeah. Now why me ball on these niggas? Now why me ball on these niggas? Yeah, yeah. Nigga came from the bottom, down below. Remember them cold nights, I was sleeping on the floor. Always dreamed about the 4G, I don't feed, now they down below. A nigga got so much money on me, I can't count no more. Remember I was in the project wall, couldn't even get along. Now they niggas got their hands out, if I ain't give it, I be wrong. Remember I was in the county jail, none of these bitches wasn't picking up the phone. Now they making my line, I ain't got time no more. A nigga started from the bottom, now I'm living. Early morning, Uncle whipping in the kitchen. Some people said I couldn't do it and I did it. Look at my bank account, I'm running up the digits. I ain't in all that doing that facade shit. I walk it, I talk it, I live it. Come to the birdhouse, look at the garage, nigga. My Bentley coupe got a couple pigeons. I was down on my ass, had to go a new direction. Bought my mama Gucci purse, gave her 10 racks, told her you ain't gotta stress it. It ain't even an emergency and a nigga about to pull up in a 911 just to feed my dog. I told God it's a blessing. Came from the bottom, down below. Remember them cold nights, I was sleeping on the floor. Always dreamed about the 4G, I don't feed, now they down below. A nigga got so much money on me, I can't count no more. Down below, down below, down below, down below, oh, 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 down below, down below, down below, down below, oh, oh, oh. Righty rich shit, I never took the safe route. Nigga came from the bottom, I had to make it out. I was trapping in the box, I had to break out. Hurt my soul when the feds kicked down the vacant house. Black truck on the corner, they had a stakeout. Seen a dope boy pulling that Rafe out. Had to get about the hood to the lake house. The head chef about to bring my steak out. I was pouring up the leaders, swiping them visas. They think a nigga Rondo, cause I always kept a Nina. Now my jewelry wetter than Aquafina. Quick trick to Catalina. White bitch better Selena. Fuck it, then a nigga gotta leave her. I just wanna shine like the Ray Roof star, cause a nigga been down so long. Ain't nobody see bird vision, dog. Got it all on our own. Remember them nights I was driving all night long. Now I keep a shooter on the right, just in case a nigga try to do me wrong. Yeah, yeah. Came from the bottom, yeah. Down below, down below. Remember them cold nights, I was sleeping on the floor. Always dreamed about the 4G, I don't feed, now they down below. A nigga got so much money on me, I can't count no more. Down below, down below, down below, down below, oh, oh, oh. Down below, down below, down below, down below, oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Scott, you lit this bitch up, nigga.
Straight out the capsule, send her ass to Molly World. I don't even drink for real, but I damn near fucked the bottle, girl. I just bought a bitch 2 pair of Chanel's, I told the model for it. When I'm in the club, when niggas don't like, we having bottle wars. Set my mind like we on that nigga ass, ain't no talking to it. Give me compliments for my bitch for real, but ain't no talking to her. Champagne back to back in the Gucci store when I walk through it. Get high then I treat the mic like therapy, cause I talk to it. I sit back and ask myself why so many times they treating sports just like the streets, they trying to give them fines. He in the trenches without a gun, I called and gave him mine. Bump heads on my day one yesterday, I say I'ma give him time. Hope BA get right back off that time, they gave him 55. I hate Taste, he gone forever, we locked in on 59. He was my dog, he was my round, he was like 50 twice. I made it out, I beat the odds, it gotta be precise. Me and my auntie had some words, that shit ate me alive. See my little daughter bad as hell and she ain't even 5. He got the same time as a shooter and he ain't even drive. A OPP got hit in his TOP and he ain't even die. I seen so many young niggas lose their lives. That's why when I go to a funeral today, I don't even cry. And that real shit run in my veins. Some niggas don't fuck with for real, they just one of my stains. I put 90 on your head, that's one of my chains. And I can't cap that nigga Von made me go to Johnny Dang. I popped the pill and hit my head down, I was feeling strange. I'm swinging first whenever a nigga asks me what I bang. When you lose 5 niggas and want something, that's when you'll feel my pain. You ain't gotta snatch it, they'll kill you, you can't feel my chain. I'm the highest in the room, I feel just like LaFlame. They'll give you life, but change to a dub if you give them name. Yeah, my life for real, this not a movie. If a nigga I know support my song, they'll call them groupies. And they ain't even meet Lil Baby, but they'll go post his music. And that's my dog for sure, yeah, that's my dog for sure. And I be stressed out with my kids, sometimes I don't call it all. And you be acting like you off perks, but you off Tylenol. I done popped some X and I told my mom I was off Adderall. I buy that Glock, I need that switch, I need that attach me off.
Hey, Otto, man, keep that shit rolling.
The butcher coming, nigga. Butcher coming, nigga. Yo, I've been selling dreams of sleepers, nigga. Tell the truth, that's the perfect business. Cause in a drought, I was paying double for some work that wasn't even worth the ticket. Plate scrapers with the work to get it. Check my bank statements, probably hurt your feelings. How? I'm in every verse admitting how I work a kitchen like it's church's chicken. What you know about taking bags cross state on a half a tank of gas? The first around ain't no workaround, you gotta hit it twice just to make it last. Take a quarter, you make a quarter, put that together, that'll make a half. With a coke compressor, it's matter of fact, I ain't telling niggas shit. Who are these niggas? I think they all overrated. I think they all are outdated. I'm independent, but they think that I'm sounding shady. Cause my jewelry look like I made it. Just got a house, I need a brand new Mercedes. We kicking ass like the baby. I'm on a grind, I link with the plugs that I met one more time if these labels don't pay me.
I remember when I first told my father who I was dealing with. I told him I was dealing with Benny. He was like, Benny from Montana? It was like, be careful, nigga. It was like that block crazy. That's the H block.
I ran off the deep end, kicked out my mama house, came back carrying things, and I'm carrying careful, cause they give you 5 for a robbery, but they bury in kingpins. The real trenches, war with the feds, nigga, and I'm talking real business. For Duffel was plea to a 20, they force on the trial, he come back on the pill sentence. These investigations current, nigga, them wiretaps got me playing it safe. Ask Earl how about it if you think I'm frontin' about that 20 grand a day. This the only block on the east side where the dope shooters all come and get it. Quarterbacking plays from a kitchen, how I honor student gon' become a chemist. At my mom crib having flashbacks, 10 guns on me like a Mad Max. Put the team on with the last batch, but you niggas never gon' be half that. On the road to riches or jail bars with some niggas that I burn in hell for. I was feeling like the cause was dealt wrong. Got my money up and put my cell phone, motherfucker.
Sure enough, a few months later, it was like 7:30 in the morning. I heard some loud banging at the door. Benny went to the window and said, "Bae, it's the police." I swear my heart dropped.
Daydreaming about my past, zoning while I'm driving, hoping I don't crash. Loyal cause you feed them, that'll only last long as I'm ballin' Bulls versus the Jazz. And before you niggas ever got some cash, I can put 200 grams on every half. That's another 20 if you do the math. Carry zeros over every time I add. West signed the deal, nigga, I was glad. Got me out the hood, I was down bad. Still owe my plug for another half. Every time you bring my name up, he get mad. Then I turn my flip phone to a stash. 6 figures legal money, that ain't bad. 3-time felon, now I run a business. Every plug I ever met, I made them cash. Before I rode a tour bus, made a full jump. 30 bands on me made me sag. I could turn your front door to a drugstore, make any kitchen to a lab. Man, I hear these drug stories and I laugh. Talking about the coke sales they never had. Pull up on a nigga, you gon' know the pad. Only house with a Bentley on the brass.
But everything is different now. Everything is legal. Benny doing what he loved to do. I don't gotta worry about no more police kicking in our doors. And life is good.
I was adrift on an ocean of dreams. I was amazed as I sailed to the end of the world. I'm not afraid.
La música de Harry Fraud.
Hear me say, you ain't going nowhere yet, you feel you moving. Strain on top of strain is what that wind done blew in. You can't get right, your pocket's super light, and I am on top of mine, and I ain't wasting my time. You can't get right, your pocket's super light, I made my way up in the Kizane, and then I crept up on some Chizane. That's right, for the love of money. Near fuck boy ain't never took nothing from me. Married to the game, but we ain't throwing rights. Use it for the dope, you been a question mark all your life. And Mr. Officer, I know my rights. Mad cause I spent this whole salary on frozen ice. Longest days, the coldest nights. Coke boys run New York, nigga, show you right. And the riot still a gizang. Act stupid, chopper, knock off half your brizang. You ain't going nowhere yet, you feel you moving. Strain on top of strain is what that wind done blew in. You can't get right, your pocket's super light, and I am on top of mine, and I ain't wasting my time. You can't get right, your pocket's super light, call the kid Kane. Went down that drain, you thought you came up in the game. That ain't your lane, it ain't the same. You thinking suicide, you trying to drink away the problem. Every which way you go, that black cloud gon' follow. My money long, my barrel's hollow. You get it too if you knew the same shit that I know. But you don't, so your next thing is catch a homo. But you ain't built for that, them boys that had you singing high notes. Navy blue twirler with the red guts. Ain't no such thing as love for money, man, that there's lust. Damn, your ship ain't moving, you can't get right. You can't win for losing. You ain't going nowhere yet, you feel you moving. Strain on top of strain is what that wind I'm blue in. You can't get right. Your pocket's super light.
Mogul and they know that. Logo on my flow mat. Courtside Chamberlain throwback match my Rolex. Everywhere I go flex. Valet park on some low shit. Whole lot of smoke in that Rory, that thing poke. Burning rubber. Wearing cameras, they was undercovers. Under pressure, made statements turned on their brothers. Never judge you, but the streets will never love you. I wonder what it come to in your brain for you to run to. One's the haters, handcuff us and maces. Call us dumb niggas cause our culture is contagious. Third generation South Central gangbangers that live long enough to see it change. Think it's time we make arrangements. Finally wiggle out they mazes. Find me out in different places. And the spoke by the door, this the infiltration. Double back dressed in blue laces. He was teaching health. I fuck with Rick Ross cause he teaching wealth. Dropped out of school, I'ma teach myself. Made my first meal on my own, I don't need your help. All black, Tom Ford, it's a special evening. City council meeting, they got hustle speaking. $1 billion project about to crack the cement. So one of our investments has become strategic. Summer 18, man, such a season. About to make my partners look like fucking genius. We was in the Regal, it was me and Steven. We done took a dream and turned it to a scene. Anything I wanted, everything I needed. Gotta pace yourself, it's all about your baby. You can have it all, it's all about your race. I done took my name and carved it in the cement. On that shootout at the beach, 20 deep. You tried to squeeze, your gun jammed, then they released. Blood on your teeth, how many stains? I see 3. The bitch started to panic, so I made her switch seats. Driving there, police chopper here flying there. Really not too spooked, calmly ask me, am I dying now? All I know is keep you calm and collected. Cracking jokes like, nigga, now you gon' be finally respected. See your blood leaking, got my foot on this gas. Toss the 40, we pull up to Daniel Free and see crash. You know the alibi. They started shooting, we was standing by. Ain't see nothing but the flare from the talents fly. I wasn't there, I was passing by. Matter of fact, don't say shit, I'm just gonna drop you in the back and slide. That's your weed, all the cash is mine. I take them both to the spot, plus your phone till you back online.